Welcome. I am Alex. Thank you for joining me. Today I am here with 10 minutes of shoulder stretches, shoulder yoga. We will begin in a child's pose. Since we're going to focus on the shoulders, don't worry about how far apart the knees are. Just walk forward and bring your hands up onto fingertips. Elbows are soft but straight. Press down a little bit through the fingertips and bring the forehead to the mat. Gently lengthen the breath in and out through the nose. Press down through the shoulders to intensify pressing down the fingers, and lengthen the breath against any constriction you feel. Soften the wrists. Long exhale, soften down to the mat. Press into the hands, walk them in towards you. We're going to do a thread the needle variation from here. Walk the left forward, thread the right underneath, palm up, and use the left hand as a pillow to stretch the shoulder. Rest the forehead on your fist. Lengthen the breath to increase every sensation, especially through the upper body, upper back. Press into the left hand to help yourself up. Walk the right hand forward and switch sides. Left arm reaches underneath. Establish, and then use your right hand, a block or whatever you need. The left palm is up, and your breath is helping you to sink into this shoulder stretch. Relax the muscles of your face. Relax any thoughts and just think about this inhale and this longer exhale. Let's lift out, sit up on your heels. If you need to sit on a block or a cushion, that's fine. I'm actually going to tuck the toes. You can leave the feet flat if you need to. Pull the pinky edges out. Bring your fingertips to the tops of your shoulders. So we've got little arms. Let's bring the elbows to touch. Draw a line up through the center. Open them out. And again, kind of a cat-cow back happening here. As you open and close, try to keep the elbows together for a long time. And then reverse that motion. Notice if there's any tension in the wrists, try to soften that out. We're focusing on the shoulders. Slowing down. Release, straighten your arms overhead, lift, and bring the hands to the mat. Roll out your feet and the ankles, tap out the feet, and make your way to a tabletop. 3 cat-cow, but these are a little different. We're going to focus on having these exist mostly in the upper body. So shrug the shoulders, Stay looking down at the mat. Bring the shoulder blades to touch. Soften the elbows and look down. And then press the mat away. Try to keep the rounding only in the upper back. Tuck the chin. And again, carefully let the shoulders kind of shrug, like if you didn't know how to lift out, but you're going to carefully place the shoulder blades back. Lift the chin slightly and bring the weight out of the back of the hands. And now press evenly through both hands. Round the upper spine, tuck the chin. Let's do one more. Might not be that smooth like you're used to, but where you are really connecting to the body-mind connection. One more round. Rounding. Neutral spine. Find somewhere in the middle. Let's do one cat-cow. Inhale. Open up the front of the body, the whole front of the body. Feel the belly. High Caesar. And press the mat away. Scoop the tailbone. Neutral spine, somewhere in the middle. Let's leave the legs where they are. Leave the hips over the knees. Caesar. Or not. Walk the hands forward, a couple of palm prints. Keep the elbows straight but soft. And bring your forehead down to the mat. Adjust as needed, but the hips are going to stay over the knees. There's a tendency to bring it forward like a child's pose. You should feel this underneath the armpits, under the shoulders. Check where the weight is in the hands. It might be too far to the right. Let's smooth out, make the whole hand help. And then lengthen out the breath. Try to relax anything that is not a part of this pose, like your ankles or your jaw. Shift your weight forward into Sphinx pose. Prop up onto the elbows, shoulders press away from you. Press under the wrists, shrug the shoulders, and then undo that and keep going. Pull the chest through. Inhale. Exhale. Release. Press up and back to a child's pose just for your exhale. Sit up. Make your way to a comfortable seat. We're going to do cow facing arms. Bring the right arm overhead. Wave at me. Comment that you waved. And then I'll turn around to explain this. Right arm reaches up. Pat yourself on the back because you're doing my yoga. And then the left arm reaches out and around. We're going to try to bring the hands to touch behind the back. A strap will make this more available, or a towel. Right arm reaches up, and then the left hand is going to reach up for the assist. Draw the shoulder blades together. Relax the shoulders down, and try not to have the right elbow out to the side too much. You're going to want it more straight up. Unarch the back and work the hands closer together. Slow down the breath. Just hold where you can. Don't go too far. It's a process. You watch this every day for a couple of weeks. See how your shoulders feel. And also let me know. Check back in. Release. Just find some movement that feels good for your shoulders. And we will switch sides. The left arm is going to reach up and reach up. I think I'm funny. Let the right hand or left hand pat you on the back. Right between the shoulder blades. Start to sit up tall right away. The right arm, thumb is down. Reach back behind yourself. Find your strap or the hand. Relax the shoulders down. Unarch your back a little bit. You might want to lower the chin. And now bring the shoulder blades back, elbows away. The left elbow is trying to point up. Lengthen out the breath. In and out through the nose. Calm your temples, your thoughts. Find a little more space. Maybe bring the hands that much closer together. One more reach. And release. Let the hands and the arms go. Get to find whatever movement sounds or feels good. It's organic. And we will close with a breath. Inhale. Arms reach wide and overhead. Keep the shoulders down. Seal the palms. Inhale, lift. Long exhale. Seal the palms. Lower your hands down. Trust that you know that you have everything within you. Thank you for joining me. Please join me again soon. Namaste.